Welcome everybody, this is Superman Barrel. You are watching my channel B4 Club 3rd P. Here doing quarantine collaboration with Lavintage Lavintage Decór. We need to check out what she's doing, and she's always preparing great recipes for us during this quarantine period. Let's check her out, see what she has to say.
Hey Superman, hope you're doing well today. I really enjoyed that back stretch. Also, I'm going to be making crack slaw today. Weird name, but it's really good, and it's 0 point on Weight Watchers.
Thanks, Levon, as I can't wait to watch that on her channel, Lavintage Decór. Now, for people who have shoulder pain, humeral joint pain, as far as doing anything overhead, this is very, very mobile joint, which is definitely affected the most out of any joint, because it could do all rotations, internal, external rotation, flexion, extension, abduction. This joint is more vulnerable to injuries because it does so much. Now, we have about 17 muscles that interlink across our shoulder. So what I'm going to do is nice movement, controlled movement that kind of helps bring in blood flow to the rotator cuff, to your upper traps, to your lower traps. All this area to keep things flowing so people can keep doing what they need to do with their shoulder. Nice movement. I'm going to back up so you can see the whole entire upper half view. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to keep our elbows locked, hands straight. Keep your palms facing in towards your body. And all we're going to do is nice and controlled, come straight up. The main thing is keeping this shoulder down. The hand you're lifting up, keep that shoulder down. Keep that elbow locked and come all the way up. Come all the way up until you feel an infield. And when you feel that infield, what we're going to do is we're going to turn those palms out. Turn that hand out, facing the outside. And as we do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn to my left so people get a good view of the palms out. And all you're going to do is keep that shoulder, keep going around. Now, the main thing is to keep that shoulder down. Don't rotate like I'm doing, and just go straight back. And as we go straight back, we're going to continue to rotate our palms out. Keep rotating out. Now, if you can't get this far, anytime you feel pain, just skip this movement and go straight down to your side if you can. Now, when you do that, your palms should be facing out. Now, we could either turn our palms in and go back and do the same rotation, or we could keep the palms out and then go backwards. And when you go backwards, once you feel that shoulder lock where you can't move it no more, try not to bend forward or anything like that. All you're going to do is slowly rotate your palms in. And once you rotate your palms in, keep the shoulder down and bring this all the way up across, keeping palms in all the way across the front, slowly coming down. That way we're doing every motion that our shoulder is allowed to do, bringing it forward and back. Now, a lot of times it might catch, it might clunk, it might do things like that. If it does, just skip that movement. There might be some impingement or some entrapment, and we know this is what we need to focus on. These are some quarantine tips you can do every day in the morning. Keep some blood flow going to that joint for joint mobility and longevity and joint health. Thank you guys. If you guys haven't already, please check out Lavintage Decór's channel, Lavintage Felbo. She's always preparing Weight Watcher recipes. Me and her in this collaboration is doing a great job as far as helping healthy ways for tips for people to use during this quarantine epidemic time. Thank you guys. Can't wait to show you more tips. Thanks. If you like these videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, B4 Club Therapy, as well as subscribe to my good friend, Lavintage Felbo, as she does Lavintage Decór channel. She does great recipes. Check her out, as well as her store in Altoona. Great things are happening, and definitely check us out. Thank you.